Hello and welcome to another daily market update by Market Intel. My name is Ben and today we want to take a look at a tech stock that we've never looked at before. We've never covered it before on this channel, I think, but a lot of people asked for it and I know it's quite a popular one. It's Block, ticker SQ, with an interesting setup. So let's take a look at the chart. Let's go. Okay, so we are on the Market Intel website, dailymarketupdate.com. Here you can register for free. You get access to all of these asset classes we cover on a daily basis for free. So let's take a look at the tech stocks. We'll click on Block. Yeah, you can see it here. We cover the 2-week chart. That gives you a good overview of the long-term chart. So I think we start with that first, and then we take a look at the micro patterns. But it's always good to have a look at the long-term chart first. It really gives us a good overall understanding of the context. And whenever you're doing maybe even an Elliott wave analysis yourself, or whenever you're looking at the analysis of someone, it makes sense to start by looking at the bigger picture, get an understanding of the context, and only then you work your way down to the, to the more detailed wave count, because only then you really understand the broader picture and the broader implications of the wave count. So let's take a look now here at the 2-week chart. It shows you that this is actually a bullish setup. Looks actually similar to some of the cryptocurrencies we've been covering here in recent weeks and months. Also here you can see that we have a 5-wave move to the upside on the block chart, where the price topped in 2021 at around $283.19, which is quite far away from where we are now. That was the top of a wave 1. We then had a long, you could say bear market, a correction in a wave 2, which actually might have bottomed last year. It was sort of October time, and it could be that this third wave rally is now unfolding. First of all, on this longer time frame chart, we need to see the price break above the $283 level, which is an important resistance. So we really want the price to get above that level, and then we can look for higher prices overall. A break above 283.19 would further confirm that a third wave is unfolding, and it would unlock prices in the region of $490.55. At the moment we are hovering around the $65 mark, so that is quite a substantial increase. Obviously, it's not going to happen tomorrow. It will take a little while to get there. Above that level, we've got 538, 599, 665 as additional targets, but 490 is sort of a minimum expectation. Let's take a look at the 4-hour chart, because here we have a setup at the moment that is still active. So what does that mean? First of all, you can see that, as I just said, in October last year, the price bottomed around $39, $38.85 to be precise. From that low, we had a 5-wave move to the upside in what we call wave 1 in blue, an ABC structure to the downside. We call it a flat correction here in blue wave 2, magenta ABC. That support area with key support around $53. Did hold. The market tested that 161.8 extension level, and you did know about this support zone if you registered on our website, because then you will have received updates about Block in recent weeks. Obviously, we're covering it regularly and you get access to all these updates, as I said before, for free. Now, in the preferred scenario with a 70% likelihood, we assume that wave 2 already bottomed and the third wave could be unfolding. It should send the price to $87 and higher. That is a key resistance level, that previous B wave high. Once we cross that level, then it would indicate that, and we go to the 2-week chart, it would unlock prices to 283, and when we get above that level, 490 plus are in the focus. Alternatively, with a likelihood of around 30%, we still need to consider that the price could form another low. That reaction to the support area is not yet fully convincing, but still, it's only the alternative that we form another low. If another low is formed, the analysis tells us that we would still see that as part of that still ongoing wave 2 correction. So we wouldn't necessarily change the overall assumption. It would still be seen as a correction, which started here. It was sort of end of last year, early this year, but it's seen as a wave 2, which could be the jump off point, or could offer the jump off point for a third wave rally going forward. Important is that in whatever the price is doing, it shouldn't break below 38.85 anymore, because if it does that, then it will really challenge the overall bullish assumption. That means we have quite a bullish perspective. Important is that the August low is holding now. Okay, if not, then the alternative will come into play. It doesn't really change the overall assumption However, that would only happen with a break below 38.85. So yeah, that's the update about Block. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. Also make sure that you follow us on the website, so register on the website, and please leave us a comment with any sort of wishes for coins, cryptocurrencies, or stocks that you want me to cover. Activate the notification bell. Have a great start to the week. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.